So you kept your cool and you followed your realtor's guidance and your offer has been accepted. Woohoo! This is so exciting and the journey is not over yet. Now comes the part where we make sure that the home becomes actually yours. The first thing that we do at the Council Real Estate Group is open title and escrow. Because so much of this happens behind the scenes, it can feel a little mysterious, but it's actually very straightforward. Think of escrow as the safety net that protects all the parties involved, the buyer, the seller, and the agent. They are like Switzerland. They don't represent you or the seller. They are the neutral third party that ensures that everything that was agreed upon in the contract actually happens the way it's supposed to. The escrow officer starts by checking the home's title. They make sure the seller actually owns the property and has the legal right to sell it to you. They hold your earnest money deposit in a secure trust account. They check for liens and claims against the property. And they make sure that all parties are doing what they're actually supposed to do. Things like disclosures, inspections, timelines, and other contractual obligations. As we get closer to closing, the escrow officer coordinates with your lender to prepare all final documents, making sure the numbers are accurate and everything reflects the terms of the agreement. In short, escrow is there to make sure that everything is done properly, and when you get the keys, the home is legally and rightfully yours. While all of this is happening behind the scenes, you will be completing your inspections. Think of it as sending the home to the Mayo Clinic for a full head-to-toe checkup. You want a professional inspector to evaluate everything: roof, foundation, electrical, plumbing, windows, termites, and any additional systems like pool or septic. At the Council Real Estate Group, we guide you to what inspections are necessary, and we connect you to the trusted, licensed inspectors. If anything comes up during the inspection, we may recommend certain specialists to come for a deeper look. And as local Austin experts who specialize in Westlake, Cuernavaca, and Eanes ISD, we often know what to watch for based on past experience with homes in this area. At the same time, the sellers are completing their required disclosures. Think of disclosures as the seller telling you, here is everything you should know about the home before you move forward with your purchase. Disclosures can include things like past repairs or renovations, known issues with the property, environmental or external conditions. There are additional disclosures that go beyond the seller's knowledge, things like natural hazard disclosure, lead-based paint disclosure, HOA document, governmental and zoning information, fire or flood risk zones. For you as the buyer, these disclosures are very important. They give you a clear picture of what it is that you're buying. It could be something minor or something that could impact your decision or give you leverage in your negotiations. And for sellers, being transparent ensures a smoother transaction and fewer surprises later on. During the same period, the appraisal is taking place. A licensed appraiser, who is a neutral third party, evaluates the value of the home. This isn't just a formality. This is how the lender confirms that the house is worth what they're lending you. The appraisal value must support the purchase price. If the appraisal comes lower, then you may need to renegotiate, come up with additional funds, or explore other options. This is something we guide you through strategically together with your lender. And speaking of your lender, during this time, your mortgage loan officer may ask for additional documents. This is completely normal. They may request employment verification, updated bank statements, letters explaining deposits, additional tax documents. Don't stress and don't get frustrated. This is all a part of a normal process of getting your loan fully approved and the funds ready for you to close on time. Once your offer is accepted, there are a lot of moving parts, but you're not navigating them alone. At the Council Real Estate Group, we manage the process, coordinate the details, and guide you every step of the way. From escrow to inspection to appraisal to closing, our job is to make sure that everything is handled properly so that when you get the keys, you're stepping into your new home with confidence and a peace of mind.